Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Foamposite 1 by Nike in a metallic red colorway. It comes in a black Nike box. Inside the box comes the shoes in white Nike branded paper. No extra accessories are included. An extra set of red laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Released in early July 2023 here in the UK, this iconic sneaker from 1997, co-signed by coach and former professional basketball player Penny Hardaway, is back in its famous bold dimpled polyurethane construction that has been a polarizing feature among sneakerheads and basketball fans. This glossy metallic red colorway first released in 2012 and later in 2017. This 2023 version upgrades to a premium leather ice-stay overlay compared to the synthetic nubuck seen on previous models, just like the recent Air Foamposite 1 PE. The Eric Ava and Jeff Johnson designed sneaker feels surprisingly comfortable despite its polyurethane shroud that hugs the foot. All of this is on Zoom Air cushioning for that on and off court bounce. I like the bold varsity red and black design with its carbon fiber midfoot stability plate and icy blue Grippy Outsole. Sizing wise, I'll stay true to size if you like a snug fit, but if you have wider feet, I'll sneak up half a size. My only problem with this shoe is its high £225 retail price, but as usual purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment metal to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.